I want to show everyone how to check if a profile is a catfisher or scammer. Now, this person here, they sent a message, you can see there, responding to one of my posts. Hello, how was your work today? Well, I had already, before I even accepted the message, I had already checked the picture to see if it came up anywhere. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So I already knew it was a scammer or a catfisher. And so I wanted to just send a question just to see what this person was going to say. And you can see here that their messages don't even really match up or make sense to what I'm asking, because I'm asking if they're a Dolphins fan about football. They don't even know what that is, as you can tell. And you can see here, they're telling me their name when their name's already listed in their profile. And they're asking me my name when my name's already listed in my profile. So you can see these messages don't even add up. So if we click on the user's profile here, oops. All right, you can see here, what we want to do is we want to take a screenshot of that picture. Okay, so we're going to take a screenshot. Now what we want to do is we want to download that screenshot. Now, if they have any other pictures, you might want to go ahead and take a screenshot of those pictures because you want to check them all. That's always good to be on the safe. If one doesn't come up, you want to check the other one, because sometimes one will come up, but another one won't. But then you'll see them all come up under an Instagram account or something somewhere. So we're going to take screenshots of all these three pictures here. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to Google app here, and we're going to click on see where the microphone is in the search bar. We're going to click on that little picture icon you just saw me click on. And now here we can see the three photos that we had screenshotted of this girl. Now we click on this and we open it up and we see if anything comes up. Okay, well, nothing came up on that one. Let's check the other one. Okay, we don't see anything on that one. Let's check this one. Oh, there we go. There it is. It's on Instagram. It's from somebody named Amanda Bender. We can see here. We'll click on it, see exact matches. And then we see here, Amanda Bender. Now we'll click on that, and it'll pull up my Instagram account. And here we can see this is Amanda Bender. So there's that other picture. You can see there with the jeans jacket on. The third picture over. We did a search for that, but didn't come up. So that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you got to check all the pictures. We'll probably see the other one in here somewhere. So we already know these pictures were stolen. There's the other one right there, as you can see. That's the other one. That's the first one that we checked. And you can see all three of these pictures from that profile was stolen from Amanda Bender. And you can see here, it says here in New York City, Cincy, and Dallas. So she's not, nowhere in here does it say anything about Los Angeles or Miami. So we know that this person is a catfisher or a scammer. And you want to check whether you're a male or female, whether it's a guy or a girl. Everyone has the potential to be scammed. Any sex, it doesn't matter, okay? So always run a reverse image search. And then you can even go a step further. There are AI programs that can detect if a picture was created by AI. So I even take it a step further, and I check for AI detection to see if a picture was created by AI, to see if the person's even real. So you want to check to see if the person's real by running a reverse image check. And then you also want to, after that reverse image check, if nothing comes up on a reverse image check, take it a step further and do an AI check with an AI image detector. And do these things to protect yourself, because these scammers are coming out wild. And they're scamming, romance scams and everything. So protect yourself, guys.